Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're going to be working on a Christmas ornament today. There's probably going to be several Christmas ornament videos uploaded just because if you want to make these, you have plenty of time before the holidays actually get here. Now this one is a cross ornament that I have been working on. I just sat down and sketched out a cross, although you could really just Google a cross clip art or something like that. But anyway, once I did a couple. I did a small one and then I did a larger one. At the time, my thought process was I was going to use this little one on the wing ornaments that you'll see as an embellishment. But I actually ended up using it. I did use it that way, but also in another way. Then I did one just a little bit larger. And I put them on a stiff paper cardstock and cut those out so that they'll last me for a while. And then you could actually use this if you was going to put several layers of decoupage or something that's going to make it stiff. But I didn't do that. I ended up using this stiffened felt. I got it off of Amazon. You may be able to find it at Michael's or Hobby Lobby as well. It's not the one that has the sticky back. It's just a stiffened felt. It's a good base to start with. So basically I sketched them or traced them off onto that, and then I cut them out. Alright, here's some small ones that I've been working on. What I did to help that stay even stiffer was I used this product called Triple Thick. I really like this, and because it is a little unhandy to work with in such a large bottle like this, I transferred it over to an old paint bottle, a squeeze bottle that I could use. So what I did was I use a little toothpick and I use a paintbrush. I squeeze a little Triple Thick on here and I'll use the toothpick to hold it, and then I just coat it really well because the felt is absorbent. So you don't want to just put the Triple Thick on and then go straight with thinking that you're going to be able to put your glitter or whatever you're going to put on it. It's going to immediately soak into that felt, but it's also going to dry hard, and that's going to give you a nice skin and a nice base so that when you put the next layer on, your glitter and everything's going to adhere and it's going to be nice and tough. Okay, and what I've done here is already put the Triple Thick on, and then I've put this one has a second layer and has some glitter on it. So I'll go ahead and lift that off and just kind of shake off the glitter so you can see. When I'm working with glitter, I tend to keep these paper plates handy, especially if I'm working with multiple colors of glitter. And I'll have one for anything I'm using the red glitter for example, or the iridescent, so that it's not getting mixed up and I can pour what I don't use right back into the bottle. Alrighty, so once I get these three completed, I am going to show you a couple of different ways that I was going to use them. Alright, now just for the sake of the video, I'm going to go ahead and lift these off, and we'll just put them on the table because white on white is not going to show up very well. Alright, so put that out of the way. Now, if you have a miniature tree that you're decorating, of course you could just stop here and put a little hanger on them. Or embellish maybe with a little rhinestone stud, something like that. Now, there's two different patterns I like, and that is to lay them out like this, and you would use hot glue, of course, to connect them. I think that would make a cute ornament like that. But the one that is, I think, my favorite is to hot glue those two together like that, and then bring this one over to the center. And then you put your hanger up here. Okay, and again, embellish with some ribbon and rhinestones, pearls, whatever you would want to embellish with at that point. I do have a completed one just to give you an example, but this was mostly just to show you the process and how easy it actually is. Alright, so let me just get the completed one. Alright, so here, this one obviously is made with the larger crosses, but you can kind of see what I did here. I used a little bail for the hanger, and I used the silver. I thought silver on the iridescent glitter looked really good, especially with the rhinestones. So just decorated those a little bit, but you wouldn't even have to do that. It's just my preference. And then I also did another, just to give you another option or another idea. This one I didn't use a bail, I just used a ribbon. And I made the center cross a color. So that's something that you could think about as well. And then if you want, on this one, I decided to try making even the back of it so that it would be different. I put a color on the back as well. But I think I'm partial to the solid color, the just the white. So I may end up covering that. I'm not sure yet. But alright, just a couple of little ideas there for some easy Christmas ornaments. Oh, one other tip I did want to leave you with. Anytime that you're using glitter, it's not absolutely necessary to do, but I would recommend using some decoupage medium and putting a layer over anything with glitter on it. Kind of seals it in. I've heard other people say that hairspray works as well. I just feel a little more secure if I use the decoupage medium. And you could even use the triple thick. It's just kind of a pricey product. To do something like that, I would go with the cheaper product like the decoupage medium. If you don't have that, always remember you can water down glue and do the same thing. Alright, so you guys have a great week this week, and I'll be back next week, most likely with another Christmas video. Bye.